Somebody will say, why do you cook so much vegetable? That's all I was brought up with. We eat a lot of vegetables. I think it's African thing. As a child, they give you more vegetable than meat. And that's what you learn to eat. So wherever you go, if you find any vegetable, you just cook it all up, as I'm doing now. So hi guys, welcome to Gloss Catering. If this is the first time I'm coming across my video, please like and share, comment and follow for more updates. And you can also follow me on other social media. This particular one is like a cook-up vegetable. Just add whatever you like and you know, steam it or fry some of the ingredients. Like the onion was fried, but the other ones was just chuck it in there and put your seasoning. So thank you very much for watching.